Okay, who doesn't love watching movies or Netflix series on their TVs with amazing Dolby audio sound? Everybody would love to do that, but not all people can afford these sort of audio related products, right? Because see, Dolby supported soundbars or home theaters can be quite expensive in India, but not until today. Zebronics is trying to bring these Dolby supported soundbars into the affordable price range for all the budget category people. And they've just recently launched their brand new Dolby soundbar called the Juke Bar 3800 Pro Dolby. And as I've told you just now, it's a wireless Bluetooth soundbar that features quad drivers on board and can produce a max of up to 60 watts of output. And as I've told you just now, it supports Dolby Digital Plus and HDMI ARC as well. So today in this video, we're gonna unbox it and I'll be giving my complete review on the product. So let's get started. So guys, here's our new soundbar from Zebronics, the Zeb Juke Bar 3800 Pro Dolby. And the best part is, it's an affordable soundbar that supports Dolby Digital Plus and HDMI ARC. Talking about the other features, the 3800 Pro Dolby supports multiple connectivity options like you've got Bluetooth 5.0, USB, aux support, it's wall mountable, comes with powerful quad drivers on board and supports optical in as well. So those were some of its highlights. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. There we go. Now let's open it and finally check out the product. Here it is guys, our new soundbar from Zebronics. Comes nicely packed like this, and along with that we get a packet of accessories as well, which includes a user manual, a remote control for the soundbar, looks slim and stylish, a pair of AAA batteries for the remote, RCA to 3.5mm aux cable, and some wall mounting screws. That's it, these are all the accessories we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the soundbar. Here you go, our brand new Juke Bar 3800 Pro Dolby from Zebronics. Wow, it looks good from my first look. I like the beautiful piano black finish, and the soundbar weighs around 3.7 kgs. So what I'll do is I'll give you all a closer look and then talk about the design, the build quality and all of its features. The Zeb Juke Bar 3800 is a Dolby certified soundbar that comes with quad drivers on board and can produce a maximum output of around 60 watts. It's got a sleek design in a beautiful black finish and definitely looks attractive. The front grille is made out of metal and has the Zebronics and the Dolby Digital Plus branding on the left and right corners, while the rest of the body is made of polycarbonate in a smooth glossy finish. I have to say the build quality is pretty good and the soundbar looks premium with a minimalistic design. Talking about the drivers, I've told you right, it's got quad drivers on board. 2 are present on the left side and 2 on the right, each of 2.5 inches in size. And at the center you've got a status LED display. Going to the right side, you got all the media control buttons. There's a power button, volume up, volume down, and a USB port to connect your pen drives. The quality of the buttons is also nice, feel clicky and tactile. And here's how the soundbar looks from the back side. We've got all the connectivity ports over here, a non-detachable mains card, and some rubber foot pads on the bottom. I've told you at the beginning, right, it's also wall mountable, so we've got some wall mount holes on the extreme sides. Now let's have a closer look and then show you all the available connectivity ports on it. There's a 3.5mm aux, optical in, and also HDMI ARC option available as well. That's it, that was a detailed overview on the design and the build quality. Now what I'll do is I'll just connect the soundbar to my TV, play some video and audio files and then show you the audio quality. Guys, I really wish I could play some movie songs as demo, but unfortunately I can't do that due to copyright issues. Anyways, just check out this audio sample so you'll get an idea. Okay, I was totally not expecting that. The audio quality on this soundbar was awesome for the price. The Juke Bar 3800 has some really good quality drivers. The mids felt crisp and clear, the vocals had great clarity, and you could easily understand all the dialogues. I'll play some video files as well in a moment, so you'll get an idea on that. It has a frequency response range from 45Hz to 20kHz, and the treble quality is also pretty good. It was producing smooth treble with minimum harshness. And coming to the bass, Wow, the bass was also very nice. I was actually surprised because there's no dedicated subwoofer here, right? So I was a bit skeptical at the beginning, but not to worry, the soundbar is well designed and acoustically tuned to produce nice and punchy bass. Initially, the bass was set to max by default and had slight distortion in it, but I've reduced the bass level using the remote to get the right amount of bass without leading to distortion. See, the overall audio quality was very good and I was actually quite impressed for the price. And since the Juke Bar 3800 has Dolby ICs on board, the noise levels were very minimum. If you ask about the THD, the distortion was less up to 90% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion. And the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. It was more than enough to enjoy movies for a couple of people in a mid-sized room. Just like all the other Zebronic soundbars, even this one features 4 audio EQ profiles on it. You can choose from music, movie mode, news and 3D virtual sound. You can change them as per your convenience. Alright, now let's play some video file and check out the dialogue delivery performance.
Video on the channel. Thing is, yesterday we unboxed Sony's brand new PS5 gaming console on our channel, right? So today in this video, I'll be giving you guys an exclusive gameplay demo on PS5, guys. So I've actually purchased a couple of game titles for PS5. These are
So, what do you think? Pretty good, right? I've played a couple of movies as well, and the experience was quite enjoyable. And I totally forgot to mention, whenever you play Dolby related content on it, say a movie or a series on Netflix, then the soundbar will automatically detect that and display Dolby audio on its display. And also keep in mind, if you want Dolby Digital Plus content to work on it, you'll have to connect it to your TV via HDMI ARC only, otherwise it won't work. Well guys, that's it. That was my video on this new budget category Dolby soundbar from Zebronics, the Juke Bar 3800 Pro. It's a very good soundbar, has a premium design, supports multiple connectivity options and offers great Dolby sound for the price. The only thing I felt is the audio output could have been slightly better considering the competition. It costs around 6100 rupees in India. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.